5 minus 4, then divided by 2. 5 minus 4 is just 1. And we have 1 divided by 2. And this is equal to 0.5. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, in this expression, we have one subtraction and one division. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. Okay? So first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction. Okay? Four divided by 2 is just 2. So we have 5 minus 2. And this is equal to 3. So therefore, our final answer to this problem is just 3. The correct answer is 3.